2007. MS PowerPoint is a powerful tool which helps us to communicate our views and ideas effectively using diagrams, photos, clip arts, sounds, colors, designs, and animated special effects.
Students, please note that you can press F1 key to get help related to any option in PowerPoint.
PowerPoint provides additional features to organize the information in a tabular format. A table is a grid of cells arranged in rows and columns. In this lesson, we will learn how to insert a table, apply a table style, and format the table using various commands. Students, can you quickly recall which type of slide layout appears by default while opening MS PowerPoint?
Let us first learn how to insert a table. Before we begin, can you let me know what a table is?
To insert a table, click on New Slide drop-down arrow on the Home tab. Select the title and content layout. Click the Insert Table command present on the slide. The Insert Table dialog box will appear. Define the number of columns and rows. Click on OK. A table will be displayed according to the defined rows and columns. Let me share a few useful tips. Intersection of a row and a column is called a cell. Click on the Insert tab and select Table, then go to Draw Table option to draw a table.
Students, note that we can also insert a table in a slide by clicking on the Table option on Insert tab.
A menu will appear. Drag the mouse over the diagram of squares to select the number of columns and rows in the table. Okay, let's discuss about entering data in a table. After inserting table in a slide, follow the steps given below to enter column headings or row entries. Place the mouse pointer in the first cell of the table and type heading. Press the Tab key to take the insertion point to the next cell. Type heading for the next cell. Similarly, we can insert data in the table using the Tab key or arrow keys or mouse. After typing data in the table, click on the gray area outside the slide. Students, let me give you a few tips related to entering data in a table. Number 1. To edit data in a table, click on the cell to be modified and make changes in it. Number 2. To insert new rows in a table. Place the insertion point in a cell. Click the right mouse button. Select Insert option and click on either Insert rows above or Insert rows below sub-option. You can also select any of the options from the Layout tab. Number 3. To apply different background colors. Select the table by clicking on the outside border. Click on Shape Fill button in the Drawing group on Home tab. Select a color of your choice. Number 4. To delete a row or a column from a table, click on Delete button in the Rows and Columns group on the Layout tab. Select the required option.
Before we move further, quickly tell me, how will you insert a new row in a table?
Now let us talk about table tools. When you insert a table in PowerPoint 2007, a new tab Table Tools appears. You will find various number of tools present on its design and layout tabs such as Borders, Shading, Draw Table, Table Styles, Merge Cells, and Split Cells. These tools are helpful while formatting a table in the slide. Let us understand about formatting a table style. First, let me explain you table styles. When you insert a table, PowerPoint automatically applies the table styles to the table. You can view the style options in the Table Styles group on the Design tab. To apply a table style, first select the table. Click the Design tab to access all the table styles and options. Point the cursor over a table style to see a live preview of the style on the slide. Click on the More drop-down arrow to view all the options. Click on the desired style to select it.
Students, you can also apply a table effect by selecting the rows or columns, clicking the Effects command in the Table Styles group and then selecting any option from the displayed menu.
Let me tell you how to change table shading. Select the table, select the Design tab, select the rows or column that you want to modify. Click the shading option in the Table Styles group and select any color of your choice. Select any other option by clicking on the drop-down arrow of Shading command. Now let me tell you how to apply a border. Borders button on the Design tab is used to add border to a table in a variety of ways. Select the rows or columns you want to modify. Click on the Borders tool in the Table Styles group. Select All Borders option. Border will be applied on the selected rows and columns. Students, let's know more. To change the thickness of the border line, click on the Pen Weight tool in Draw Borders group. Select any border width from the drop-down list. The pointer changes to Pencil tool. Drag the pointer over the border line and release the button. Now we will talk about border color. The Pen Color tool is used to change the border color. Place the mouse pointer on any cell of the table and click the left mouse button. The table will be selected. Click on the Pen Color tool in the Draw Borders group on Design tab. A color palette appears. Choose the required color. The mouse pointer changes to pencil shape. Click the left mouse button on the line where you want to change the color, or drag the mouse over the line and release the button. The line color will be changed. Let me give you a tip. Likewise, you can change the pen style by clicking on the Pen Style List box in the Draw Borders group and selecting the required style. Now let's move on to the border style. This tool is very helpful in changing the line style of a table. Select the table and click on Pen Style List box on the Design tab. A drop-down menu appears. Select the required style. The mouse pointer changes to pencil. Place the mouse pointer on any line of the table and click on it or drag the mouse pointer over a line. Observe the change.
Student, note an interesting fact. To erase a line of a table, click on the Eraser tool in Draw Borders group. Position the mouse pointer on the line that you want to erase and click on it.
Let us now find out about aligning text. Alignment refers to the positioning of text in a table cell. Alignment is applied on the text entered in the cell. By default, the text is aligned to the top of a cell. You will find 6 alignment buttons on the Layout tab, that is, Align Top, center vertically, align bottom, etc. Select any cell entry. Click on Center Vertically button in the Alignment group on Layout tab. Observe the change in the text alignment.
Let us now move to another interesting feature in PowerPoint, that is charts.
Chart is an effective way to display data in a pictorial form. Charts make it easier to show comparisons and growth, relationship among the values and trends in data. Charts provide an accurate analysis of information. When we insert a chart, the data is displayed in a special window called Data Sheet. A chart gets updated automatically with any change in data.
Can you now let me know the importance of charts in PowerPoint?
Let us discuss the components of a chart. Number 1. Chart area. Includes the complete area and all the objects in a chart. Number 2. Category axis or x-axis is the horizontal axis. The matter that is compared and presented in the chart comes under it. Number 3. Value axis or y-axis is the vertical axis which is used to plot the values. Number 4. Data series are the bars, slices or the other elements that show the data values. Number 5. The category names are the labels displayed on the x and y axis. Number 6. The plot area is a window within the chart area. It contains the actual chart itself and includes plotted data, data series and category and value axis. Number 7. Legend depicts the colors, patterns or the symbols which are assigned to the data series.
Students, note that we can increase or decrease the data range for rows by clicking and dragging the lower right corner of the blue line.
Now let's learn how to create a chart. To create a chart on a slide, follow these steps. Click on the Layout button and select Title and Content Layout from the drop-down menu. Select the Click to Add Title placeholder and type Monthly Expenses. Click the Insert Chart icon on the slide. The Insert Chart dialog box appears. Click and drag the scroll bar to view the chart types or click any label on the left of the dialog box to see a specific chart style. Select the column chart and click on OK. The chart will be displayed with a data sheet that contains the default data. You can enter your own data in the data sheet. To delete all the data from the data sheet, move the mouse pointer to the blank button, upper left corner of the column indicators. The mouse pointer changes into a large plus sign of white color. Click on the button. The entire data sheet will be selected. Press the Delete key. Click on the cell beneath column B. Type Jan, press the Tab key. Type Web, press the Tab key. Now type March and press the Enter key. Click on the cell adjacent to the row 2 header. Type Food, press the down arrow key. Type Water Bill, press the down arrow key and type Rent and then Electricity Bill in the next row. Click on cell B2 and type 800. Press the Tab key and type 850. Similarly, type the entire data as shown in figure. As you enter the data, the chart gets plotted automatically. To close the data sheet, either click on the Close button on the title bar of the data sheet or click on the gray area outside the slide. Only chart will be displayed on the slide.
Students, we can also insert a chart in any slide by using Chart button present on the Insert tab.
Okay, let us now find out how to change the chart type. Select the chart, click on the Design tab, click on the Change Chart Type button in Type group on the Design tab. The Insert Chart dialog box will appear. Select any chart type and click on OK. The chart will change into a new chart type.
Students, note the fact that we modify the chart settings by clicking on Select Data button in the Data group on Design tab. The Select Data Source dialog box with options to add, edit, remove, series, change the chart data range, etc. will open. Make the modifications as needed. Let us now learn how to format a chart.
Formatting improves the appearances of a chart. We can format the chart to add title, change the text, font, line, color, width, border, style, legends, data series, etc. When we insert a chart, 3 new tabs will appear on the ribbon. The 3 tabs, Design, Layout and Format, contains various chart tools and commands that allow you to modify and format the chart.
Students, note that splitting a cell means dividing the cell further into separate cells, rows or columns. Place the pointer on any cell and select Split Cells tool. To combine the data in a single cell, Merge Cells option is used. Let's now learn how to modify the chart layout.
The chart layout determines how specific chart information will appear. To change the chart layout, select the chart and click on the Design tab. Scroll through the options in the Chart Layout group or click the More drop-down arrow to see all the chart layout options. Select any chart layout according to the need. Now, let's look at additional chart formatting. Use the tools on the Format tab to modify the chart in various ways. Using this tab, we can change the chart outline, format the chart text as word art, and more. Let us now find out how to change the shape, styles, and color. Quick styles for lines include line styles, gradients, various effects, and shadow. Select the line that you want to change. Select any quick style from the Shape Styles group on the Format tab. Or to view more quick styles, click the More button and select the desired style. Students, a note for you. Likewise, you can change the background color, outline, and effect by using the Shape Fill, Shape Outline, and Shape Effects options, respectively, in the Shape Styles group.
Students, note that to make changes in chart data, right-click on the chart and select Edit Data option. Data sheet will open. Make changes in it and notice the effect.
Now we will discuss about changing background colors and patterns. We can modify a chart by changing its colors, patterns, and background. Right-click on the plot area of the chart and select Format Plot Area from the Context menu. The Format Plot Area dialog box will appear. Select the border styles, border color, shadow effect according to your choice. Click on the Fill tab, then click on Picture or Texture Fill option. Click on Texture button and choose the required texture from the display choices. Click on Close button and observe the change. A quick view for you students. Press F5 or select Slideshow tab from Beginning or View tab. Then Slideshow option to run a presentation. Let us quickly glance through the key points discussed in this chapter. To insert a table in a presentation, select Title and Content from the New Slide button on the Home tab. Table can be inserted from Word or Excel as an embedded object. We can apply formatting effects on a table by using Table Tools, Design and Layout tabs. Chart is an effective way to display data in a pictorial form. Chart area includes the complete area in the chart sheet and all the objects in a chart. Plot area includes plotted data, data series, category, and value axis. A data sheet consists of rows and columns that contains the data to be converted into a chart.